friends, are you facing some difficulties to download and install the Eclipse IDE in your laptop or in your desktop? So how can we do that? So today I will show you each and every step-by-step process that how easily you can download the software in your laptop or in your desktop in just 10 minutes. So how can we do that? For that purpose you have to watch the full video. And so guys, to do so we have to go to our computer screen. As you can see that now I have come to my computer screen, and here on the browser I am typing Eclipse IDE for Java in the Google search engine. As you can see that we have multiple options over here, but we have to click on the eclipse.org. There is a website from where you can download the Eclipse IDE for the Java program, and here you can see that multiple options we have, and you can see that download button. You will find one download button. Just I will click over there, and here you can see that Eclipse IDE 2020, this is the very updated software and updated version, you can see, you can call it. And but there is a disadvantage of the software, that if your laptop or computer having a 32-bit operating system, so that you cannot install this particular version. So to install this you must need your computer must be having a 64-bit operating system. So my system is already 64-bit computer, so I am going to click over the download button, and once I will click on this download button, so the download process will be starting, as you can see in the corner, and it will take some 4 to 5 minutes, and it's completely depends on your computer speed and your internet speed. It's completely depends on that. So we have to wait for that, and once the download has been done, so you have to go inside the downloads folder, and where you can get that Eclipse installer Windows 64, and this is the installer for the Eclipse. And here we have to double click over there, and there's a pop-up window, you can see that, and just you need to click on the run button, and it will take some time for the first time, and we have to wait for that for the next message. But one more thing you must keep in mind, that before installing the Eclipse you must have the JDK installed in your system. And here you can see that the process is going on, and it's showing that Eclipse installer. It will take some time. It completely depends on your computer or laptop speed. So it will take hardly 1 minute, not more than that, if your system is good. So I will have to wait for that. Yeah, so I was talking about that you must have the JDK installed before installing the Eclipse. And here you can see that Eclipse Installer, as you can see that, and this is the very amazing software, as this software is used for the Java developer, and even you can use it for C and C++ developers, and for Java script as well, and PHP programmer also use this Eclipse software to write the code, and it's a very amazing editor. And but here I am going to use Eclipse for the Java, so I will click on that, and here you can see that if we have one button, install, and I will click on that. So this process has been started, and it's showing that installing, and it will take some time. And your system must be connected to the internet, because most of the things it will fetch from the internet. And JDK 14 I have installed, so you can have any version of JDK, because you are going to run the Java program, so you must have the JDK installed before installing the Eclipse. And I think it's all, yes, installation completed successfully. As you can see, this message has been displayed. But before launching this, we have one update. We need to update some more files over here. Just click on update options, you can see that. Just click on that. So I will click on update options over here, and process operation in progress, you can see that. It will take some time, and it's completely depend on your computer or your internet speed, because some files are fetching from the internet. And so this is the last process. So after this you can directly use and launch your Eclipse, and directly you can start the writing code for the Java programming. It's about to finish. Yes, yeah, here you can see that everything is okay, and now installer has been done, and you want to launch it now. Yes, you have to click on the yes button, and now it will open the Eclipse Editor, where you can write the Java program and you can compile and execute. So now I will close all the windows, and I will close all the unwanted files. For the first time it will take some time to launch this application, and now it will ask to you that where you want to store the file or save the file. So this is the workspace. So if you want to change the file, so you just need to click on the browse button over here and you can change it, but by default I will not change. But if you want to change it, so you can easily change by clicking on the browse button here. Whenever you want to save the file, you can save it, but I will keep it default. And now I will click on the launch. Now you can see that it's starting Eclipse IDE. This message is showing on the display screen. It will take some time. It's about to finish. For the first time, any software you are using, so for the first time it will take some time, so I have to wait for that. Yes, you can see that now this program has been launched, and here there is a screen showing that is a welcome files over here, just different type of tutorials for the how can you use the Eclipse. So there is nothing more about this. So close the welcome window, and you can see that this is an editor where you can write the code, and here you can see that this is the package explorer where you have to create the project, and this part is a task list. So right now we don't need it, so just I will close it. And here we need to create the project, and so here how can we create the project and each and everything, I will do that. And here we need to write the code, and here you will get the output. So I will show you one sample demo project, means how can you create the Java project. So just click over there, and here you can see the project name, and you can give any name to your project. So I am giving my project. You can have any name of this project name according to your requirement. And here you can see that Java runtime environment already is within set, because without installing the Java you cannot use Eclipse for the Java. So your computer must have the Java installed. Now click on the next button, and this you can see that my project has been created. And now click on the finish button. Module name, you can give any name to your module name, means if you are working on the project, so in a simple project lots of module. So here now you can see that this project has been ready, and now just behind the my project you can have a triangle. Just click on that, so you will have src folder and jre folder, you can see that. So now I need to create a Java program, so we have to create one class. So how can we create a class inside this project? So right click I need to do right click on the src folder, and then we have to create the class. So right click on the src, and here you can see that new, click on the new, and here Java project, and you need to click on the class, and here you can see that source folder and package name. So I need to give any package name. So according to your requirement, you can provide any name to your package. I am giving my pkg. But one more thing, and class name, suppose I am providing name, class name, that is a my class. But here it's saying that package name, hey, you can see that its package name first letter must be in a small letter. If I will give the capital letter, so it will say that this package name is discouraged by the convention. So you must keep in mind that first letter should be a small letter, but the class name you need to give the first letter as a capital letter. So class name is my class I have given, and here you can see that I need to check the main method public static void main. So just I will check this checkbox and click on the finish button. Now you can have the sample code over here. You can see that. So this is the package name, this is the class name, and this is the main method. And inside the main method we have to write the code. Suppose I need to print something, so for that purpose we have to use the system.out.println, and inside the bracket, inside the double quote, whatever you will write. So I am going to print the hello Java, and this message I want on the output screen. So now I will save it, Control S. Using the Control S I have saved this program, and hello Java I need to print on the output screen. So how can we run the program? So we are going to execute. So right click, run as, and you can see that Java application. So I will click on that. So here you will get the output hello Java. You can see that. So this is the one way, means right click, run as, and Java application, so you can have the output. But another way is, you can see that on the refractor, just below the refractor, just click on the run button, and you can have the output on your output screen. So this is the way, means where how can we write the code on the Eclipse and how can you create the Java project. So I hope this video will help you to install and download and install the Eclipse IDE for the Java program. So before installing the Eclipse, you must have the JDK in your system installed. So after that it will work perfectly fine, and it is a very amazing software where you can write this core Java, and if you want to learn the advanced Java, for that purpose it will very helpful. So I hope it will help you in a very good manner. So thank you so much guys, thank you for your time.